The 1000 SEL was not a Mercedes-Benz that could be ordered from the factory at your neighborhood Mercedes dealership. The Mercedes 500 SEL and 560 SELS class were the primary aftermarket alterations used to create the 1000 SELE. Mercedes-Benz did not even manufacture the 1000 cells as such. The vehicles were originally factory fresh S-classes that were tuned and coach-built by firms such as Chameleon, Kugok, Robert Jankel Design, and Vantage Field, primarily in Germany and the UK. Similar titles were also given to modified Mercedes-Benz SEC, but instead of 1000 SEL, they were 1000 SEC. In essence, 1000 SEL was only a symbol that could be found on any Mercedes trunk, with the contents depending on what the buyer wanted. A few businesses offered the 1000 SEL badge separately. There might be a lot of options and additions on the outside of the 1000 SEL. More chrome, paint in place of gold, bumpers, spoilers, skirts, and a boomerang-shaped TV antenna on the boot lid are among the many changes. Every choice was available. Actually, as long as you paid the bill, everything was possible with the 1000 SEL. Badge. The so-called 600 nose was one of the choices provided by businesses like its Kugok and SG's. This redesigned bonnet adopted the design cues from the 1960s Mercedes 600-100. An additional choice would have been to gold plate